and welcome to the Blez Light inaugural memorabilia breaks. Here's the fun part about this break, guys. This is going to be our first break that we're ever doing on this light channel. And when we launched this light channel, we talked about it a lot. We're going to also implement memorabilia breaks. I said that we would probably do it on a designated day, like a Friday. These literally just came in. These were supposed to be here over a month ago. We just got a lot of it. So guess what? Inaugural breaks on a Thursday. This is Fanatics Under Wraps 2024 Authentic Mystery Autograph Baseballs, random team number 1. Really quickly, guys, I do have the checklist in the chat, guys. There is no Houston Astros on the checklist for you guys there. Just a heads up, you got special autograph baseballs, you have dual autograph baseballs, you have Hall of Famers. You also got today's current rookies as well, so good luck. Dice roll got to be ace deuce or higher, guys. And we're going the minimum times, 3 times. First on the name list. 1, 2, third and final, 3. 3 times. Start turning on the bottom. JC up top. Good luck on your teams, everybody. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, third and final, guys. 3. You're looking for old teams. You like the Yankees, obviously. You want the Dodgers with Shohei opportunities. All like that. You want the Baltimore Orioles. All those guys. That's what you're looking for, folks. And there it is. There's your teams. Give me 1 second to alphabetize it. Take your 2s in the store, guys. It should be fun. It's a fresh case. 12 baseballs per case. Let me alphabetize, and we're going. Here we go. Oh, Rainieri with the Yankees. Wow, good luck. Rainieri with the Yankees, good luck. You're looking for those old school teams. Mariners, you guys got Griffey autographs like that. If anybody needs the checklist, there it is. Pretty fun checklist. Mets got a couple, nothing crazy. I know they got like Piazza autos and Polar Pete. I don't remember anyone else offhand, but check the checklist. There might be a couple. Good luck, guys. Ooh, I get to bust out the foot pedal. I get to bust out the foot pedal. Oh, Fanatics Under Wraps. Pick your team number 1. Fresh case. Look at this. I get to bust out the foot pedal. Yay. Only 1-month-old foot pedal we get to play with now. Ooh. Oh, sweet. They give me a manual checklist right here. This is sick. Oh, perfect. It even has the... Oh, this is awesome. It comes with the whole checklist. All right. All right, where are we going? Where are we going? All right, I'm going to pick... Let's see. Let's do the cream filling. Let's go in the middle. And then give me 2 outskirts. I'll go with these 2 outskirts. All right, good luck. Oh, I guess I don't need to play with the foot pedal anymore, though, huh? How do I go back? Yeah, there you go. Good luck, guys. Oh, I got it. Yeah, why don't we do a quick? Why don't we do just a fun small guess? Why don't we guess the last auto for 15? Last autograph for 15 in Blez Bucks credits. Go. I don't think anybody cares for that, right? Oh, look at the way that thing opens. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the way that thing opens. Check that out. Whoa. I feel like I'm proposing to the people. Ooh, oh, that's pretty sick packaging. That's sick packaging. I like it. Oh, it has the it has the card that ruins it for you guys. So we don't want to get it ruined. We're going to open it. I probably should. What's up, Carlos? I know, it feels pretty classy. Okay, so we have the Fanatics Authentic sticker. We have an inscription. 2023. Could it be like Rookie of the Year maybe or something? World Series champions 2019 and 2023. That's a great way to start. I can't make out the signature, so I'm not Hobby Hawk. That's Mad Max. That's Mad Max Scherzer. World Series champion inscription 2019 and 2023 for Mad Max, the former Detroit Tiger. Mad Max goes to... Let me make sure. You are correct. Rangers. Rangers. Texas Rangers. Dr. Tiernan. Dr. Tiernan on that, on the Rangers. I actually could not make out his start. So not long his tenure, so there is a checklist on this. I dropped it in the chat. Texas, Max Scherzer on the single signed autograph baseballs. There is specialty baseballs. There is inscription. Oh, actually, wait. Let me look at inscriptions. Let me make sure. Inscription baseballs is also Scherzer on Texas for the inscriptions. Yep. Texas. Oh, got it, Clint. Yeah. So Texas. So Rangers, Dr. Tiernan, now it's for you. How am I going to label this? Guess maybe I should keep this. Box 2. Some of them are pretty sick. I'm trying not to ruin the, I'm trying not to look at the card. All right, we have another single with Fanatics inscription and MLB authentic decal. It is a World Series baseball. I actually didn't look at the last one. Hang tight. Sorry, guys. We're discovering the product together. I didn't even look if that was a World Series ball on the Mad Max. Try not to touch it too much. That was just on a Major League ball. Got it. So this is an official 2020 World Series baseball. That could be what it is. You might be right, Counselor. You might absolutely be right. Because I saw like the midnight balls and stuff like that. So here we go. 2020 World Series baseball. '20 World Series champion. Is that Will Smith? Is that Will Smith? On the specialties for the Dodge. It is. Will Smith, 2020 World Series champ. It's got to be. Definitely not. Yes, Will Smith for the Dodgers. And their attorneys on the board. With the Will Smith. This stuff is pretty fun for 25 bucks. You can't go wrong. Nice Will. Oh, sorry, did I not put that in nicely? Oh, there you go. Two left. Good luck. Take your twos. It's going. I know. What if a Shohei came out or something? That'd be so nuts. I've tried not to play with my white balls. Hey. Major League official. Ooh. Nope. Don't know that one. Gotta cheat. It's Zach Wheeler. Is that a Met? You're correct, Zach Wheeler. You are correct. That would be a standard autograph. Wheeler goes to... Nope, not a Met. Played for a few teams. Where the hell is Zach Wheeler? Oh my. Oh, Phillies. Sorry. Phillies. I don't know why I'm looking at Mets this whole time. I'm trying to figure him out. Zach Wheeler, it is Phillies. You are correct. Thank you. Literally number 10. Oh, it says number 101 on mine. Phillies is on the board. Sorry, guys. Sergeant Kelsey is on the board with the Wheeler auto. And our last autograph baseball. Nothing crazy yet. No big rookies in this case yet. Here's your guess for $15 in BlezBucks credits. Good luck. Take your twos, guys. I'll take a Griffey. I would love to see a Griffey Durango. I literally would love to see one. This is a home run derby gold ink ball, I believe. No, 2008 World Series. Yankees? This could be a Yankee or a Philly right here, right? 08? This could be big. Kind of looks like Chase Utley. Chase Utley? Is that Chase? Philly, it is. Chase Utley, the second baseman. Philadelphia and Sergeant Kelsey got two on that one. It is Utley. Chase Utley, the second baseman, alongside with Ryan Howard, Placido Polanco, Carlos Ruiz. You had Shane Victorino. You had Jason Worth. I'm missing an outfielder. I can't think of his name right now. You had Joe Blanton. You had Cliff Lee. You had... Anybody guess Chase Utley for the guess? That was pretty sick. That had an opportunity to be massive. This is pretty fun. Take your twos, guys. So you had Utley on this one. I'm going to have to manually label this. Shit. I should label this as I go on. Guys, that was the break, everybody. Thank you guys very much. Fanatics Under Wraps Random Team number 1. Thank you, guys. Jimmy Rollins. I didn't say J-Roll. Yep.